So imagine doubling your sales without working harder, running more ads, or chasing down new customers. And you do it just by adding 2 tiny tweaks to your checkout. It doesn't matter if you sell a course, a service, or a physical product. With just a couple of clicks, you can tap into a whole new source of profit. And SamCart just added a brand new report that will show you exactly where to cash in. I'm Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, the #1 e-commerce platform for online entrepreneurs. Our customers collectively have sold more than $6 billion of their own products, services, and physical goods through our platform. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to multiply your profits and scale your sales faster than you ever thought possible, thanks to the information from one brand new report we just added to every single SamCart marketplace. But first, let me back up. The SamCart database proves that the fastest route to doubling your business is by doing one very specific thing during checkout. Just like McDonald's built an empire on the back of asking, "Would you like fries with that?" Or how Amazon makes it ridiculously easy for you to go from buying one thing to buying many things just by click, 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 click. The truth is, absolutely anyone can multiply the money they keep by giving your best customers a chance to buy more at the point of sale. But don't just take my word for it. SamCart sellers everywhere are pulling in tons of extra cash by following this example. Like this marketplace in gardening, or this one in the fitness space, or this one teaching people language learning. That extra revenue you collect by doing that is called expansion revenue. And you can tap into expansion revenue of your own with stuff that you already have sitting on your hard drive without writing a single line of code or being an expert copywriter. SamCart sellers have 3 enormously profitable features taken right out of the Amazon playbook that can help them cash in on expansion revenue. First, you have order bumps, which are quick add-ons your customers can select right before checking out. Second, you have one-click upsells, where customers can add extra stuff to their order after checkout, while SamCart securely stores their card on file. So it's one click. Get it? One click. Number 3 is one-click upgrades. It's just like an upsell, but SamCart actually does all the math and discounts whatever you're paying based on what your customers have already spent. So you're upgrading from a basic package to a premium package and only paying the difference. Upgrades. But if you take all those 3 features, SamCart's database proves that on average, you are doubling your sales, an increase of 98%. And like I said, they don't require you to be some expert copywriter or a graphic designer or a coder to make it happen. In fact, you can make your own checkout as powerful as Amazon's with just a few clicks thanks to what SamCart does. I'll link to a full video to show you exactly how you can make that happen inside of SamCart if you're interested. But today, there is finally a brand new way to capture expansion revenue even faster. Introducing the brand new Offers Report. This report helps you pinpoint exactly which bumps, upgrades, and upsells your customers love, and which ones need to be deleted and never sold ever again. Armed with this information, you can finally have the insight you need to lock in higher average order values, put more profit in the bank, or scale up those ad campaigns. So let's take a quick look at 3 things this new report can help you do. Number 1, you can see how your entire funnel is working start to finish. Toggle over to the Upsells by Funnel tab on this brand new Offers Report, and you can get a full view of exactly how your entire funnel is creating from front-end purchase through order bumps, upgrades, upsells, all in one place. On this graph, find any of your front-end products and get an instant view at exactly how much each customer is worth after going through your upsells, bumps, and downsells. In SamCart, you aren't limited to adding just a single one-click upsell to your checkout. You can have multiple upsells and downsells anytime someone says no, giving you more opportunity to grow your average order value by customizing the path you want each customer to be shown. This report finally takes all that data and puts it in one place, so you get a full look at exactly how much each customer is spending in one simple graph. Number 2, you can identify exactly which upsells are crushing and which ones need to get swapped out for something different. Your next stop in this report should be on the Upsells tab, where you can judge each upsell in your marketplace individually. You can see how many times it's been viewed, its conversion rate, the total expansion revenue collected, and most importantly, how many dollars per customer that upsell is adding. That last number gives you an apples to apples comparison, so you can judge if one upsell is beating another one. If you're testing two different offers, the one that adds more dollars per customer is your winner, and the other one should be thrown out with the bathwater. If you toggle over to funnels by front-end product, you can see the same data sorted by what front-end product your customer has bought. So if you use the same upsells for multiple different products, you can judge their performance in a silo, giving you better insight into which upsells are working and which ones need to be swapped out. And number 3, you can single out your best performing order bumps. Toggle over to the Order Bumps tab and get instant feedback on which of these little pre-checkout add-ons your customers are gobbling up. So you can test out cheap bumps versus expensive ones and find out which ones are doing the most for your average order values. Imagine turning a $50 product into $80, $90, or $100 orders, because that is exactly what these features are doing. Like we said before, the SamCart database proves that using these features increases average order value by an average of 98%. This new offers report gives you full clarity on exactly which offers are creating that extra revenue. So you finally have the features and the data to tap into this whole new source of profit easier than ever. Use expansion revenue to fuel bigger growth with ads. Put more money back into your pocket and reach new heights with your top-line revenue. If you're stuck leaving money on the table with some basic checkout, use the link down below this video and talk with an expert on our team today. One quick call and we will find exactly how much profit you're leaving on the table and make a plan about how you can capture it. And if you qualify, our team can even set this all up inside of a SamCart marketplace on your behalf. Scaling your business to the next level is all about having the right tool for the job. And that is exactly what this new offers report and the rest of SamCart is built to do for you.